Good morning. Now we will study about the work of a river. How a river works. How river makes different landforms. So when the river plain, we have already studied about waterfalls. Waterfalls are also a form of a river only. Okay, part of a river only. So as the river enters a plain, level, flat land, a river enters from the mountainous regions, entering into a flat land. It makes some twists or turns are there. Twists or turns, and some regions it forms bends. It may not flow continuously straight. There are some turns or twists and some areas which is a bend also. Such kind of bends of a river is called a meander. Meander means the turns or bends of a river in the plain region. So when it is flowing through the plain, it makes the flow of water or river becomes slower. Then it creates a meander. What is meander? The twist or turns of a river is known as a meander. Now, when due to the continuous erosion, we have studied the erosion and deposition of sediments. All along the meander, we can find both sides of this river. The sediments brought by the rivers are deposited. So this meander ends of the loop or its loops, these are all bends become very closer and closer sometimes in due to course of time. But meander cuts off sometimes when it becomes very close. These loops or its bends become very closer and closer. Sometimes this type of bend will be, or this type of meander will be cut off or moved away. Okay, so it creates separate lakes, small lakes. A cut off lake will be formed beside. Okay, any side you can find this type of meander moves away or cut off from the main river. Okay, sometimes it will be cut off from the main river. So a lake is formed. Such kind of lake is known as Oxbow Lake. Oxbow Lake. What is Oxbow Lake? The cut off the river lake from a meander. The river is cut off from the meander, and which creates an Oxbow Lake. Sometimes the river overflows also. We know that in the rainy season river is overflowing. Excess water is coming out of a river, or in the meander also overflowing all this river. So that these regions also we can find both sides of the river. The sediments brought or alluvium brought by the rivers are deposited. So large areas of flat plains are formed along the rivers. Both sides of the rivers, flat land is formed with sediments or soil. This is called a flood plain. Okay, the plains which is formed both sides of the river during the flood or due to flood, sediments are deposited on the sides of the river, which is called a flood plain. Sometimes we can find the higher part, okay, the height or the higher part of the raised banks, the sides of the these regions of the river. The raised part or the higher regions of the banks of the river is called levees. What is levees? Levees means the raised part of the or the banks of a river. Okay, so we know that the river is flowing into an ocean or sea. It originates from the higher regions or mountains, but flowing through the plain region, but finally it enters the sea. When it starts from the mountains, we have studied its speed is high, because in the steep regions the river moves very speedily. When it travels or moves through the plains, its flow becomes slower and its speed becomes much slower when before it is approaching the ocean. So when it is approaching the ocean, it breaks into number of streams. We know that a single river which is flowing, when this is ocean, okay, when it approaches the ocean, it breaks into number of tributaries. We can call it distributaries or tributaries, or the smaller rivers. Okay. Now we can find here that distributaries are the broken parts of the river. The river is broken into many smaller rivers, okay, which we call small streams. They are, we can call it as a distributaries, which means the major river is broken into distributaries. We know that when it reaches and enters into the ocean, this river enters into the ocean. So this part, or where the river enters into the ocean, is called a river mouth. River mouth. River mouth means the area or the region where rivers enters into the ocean is called a river mouth. All these distributaries, these are broken into many distributaries. Here we know that some regions these sediments are deposited into these regions or along the coast. So some of these along the coast we can find beaches also. What is a beach? The region where the beaches on the coastal regions also we can find beaches. Now these distributaries make the land here. What is the land? In a triangular shape. We can find the triangular land mass on the coastal areas where the river reaches. Okay, where river approaches the ocean, we can find a triangular or a mass of land on the coastal areas, which is called a delta. Delta is a triangular land mass on the coastal areas, because of it is formed by the rivers. When river becomes it's broken into distributaries, these distributaries form a delta on the coastal areas.